Want to dive in deeper and customize your character? Press the button or button with the character icon to change colors, hair, clothes, equip weapons, and Made a game? No? Well, time to change that. Get ready to create a hero, an adversary, world to explore. Press the A button to switch tools, then use the left stick to navigate to the prop tool and press A again to select it. Press up on the D-pad to open the prop gallery. Use the left stick to select the Characters tab, then press A to filter your view. Choose any character you want to be your hero. Press up to the ground. Press the right trigger to place the prop world. Move the cursor over your hero and hold LB. While holding the left bumper, press Y to open its brain. Welcome to the Brain Editor, where the magic really happens. All code statements are divided into a when side and a do side. Let's start with the blank. Select the plus and press A to add a tile to the when side. Tilt the stick toward the controls folder and press A to select it. Select the controller folder. Select the left stick tile. This line of code will run when the left stick is used, but what will it do? Select the plus and press A to add a tile to the do side. The movement folder. Select the move. In your first line of code, it says that when the left stick is used, the character will move. Press B to exit the Brain Editor menu to open the pause menu. Select Test to try out. What happens? When you're done testing, press Menu. The pause menu has many uses. You can switch between edit and test modes, save your level, share it, and access various properties that affect the entire world. Select Edit to return to Create mode. Over your hero and hold LB. While holding the left, press Y to open its brain. Let's give your hero the ability to jump. Select the plus and press A to add a tile. This is the tile picker. Select the controls for select the A tile. Plus and press A. Select the movement. Select the line you just wrote says, whenever. However, your hero will jump constantly if that button is held. This will be a modifier. Select the plus and press A. Select the pressed tile. This means your hero will only jump when the button is first pressed. You'll have to your hero's brain is missing one more key thing. Select the plus and press the bumper to view the select the camera folder. Select the follow when. Let's try out your new press B to exit the menu to open the pause menu. Select test. Try jumping and moving the right stick to control the. You're done testing, press menu. Edit to return to cursor over your. While holding the left bumper, press Y to open its brain. Let's make your hero attack when you select the plus and press A to add a tile to the when side. Select the controls. Select the X tile. Select the plus and press A to add a tile to the combat folder. Select the attack. Now your hero will spark. You've leveled up. Gaining more levels grants and access to more awesome stuff in the. Select the plus. Press A to add it. Select the combat. Select the now your hero will shoot when you time to test out. Press B to exit menu to open the pause menu. Select test. Press Y buttons to see what happened. When you're done testing, press menu. Select Edit to return. Well, now that you've made yourself a hero, you need an adversary for your new powers. Let's pick an enemy from the palette for our hero to fight. Prop mode is how you add interesting objects and life to your world. It's also the prop palette below. Use the D-pad to select the goblin from the prop palette. Press trigger to the prop round. Press the trigger to instead of coding a brain from scratch, we're going to select move the cursor over the goblin while holding the left bumper. Press Y. Normally this goblin would come with a default brain. Press the menu button to open the brain options menu. The brain menu contains choices. Select the brain gallery menu. To the brain gallery. Each brain can be dropped into. Now let's find and drop enemy brain. Use the left stick to select the search box in the right. Then press A and type enemy. Select Enemy Brain to automatically fill in all of the code your goblin will need to become a fearsome adversary. Press B to exit the brain up. Press B to exit the brain editor menu to open the pause menu. Select Test to try. Press Menu and you're done testing. Select Edit to return. Conquered basic and created a stalwart hero and some fearsome men. Great! You've created a hero and an enemy. I need a world to adventure in. Let's use sculpting, painting, and a few props to give it some life. Our next challenge to conquer. Press the button to switch tools. Use the left stick to navigate to the Sculpt tool, and press again to select it. To sculpting and landscape, learning to control the camera. Use the left stick to move your cursor left, right, forward, and backward. Use the Y and X buttons to move your cursor. Use the right stick to orbit the camera. Click in the right stick to change the camera zoom. Now that you've got the hang of the camera, go start creating. Mold your world in sculpt mode. Here you can modify, lower, and even create. There's a whole set of tools to sculpt. Hold the right trigger and move your brush over the This is the Expand Mode tool. In Expand mode, your brush will raise the terrain. The tool expands the terrain it touches. Hold the right trigger and move. You're off to a good start. But this will go a lot faster with the while holding the left bumper. Use the left stick to select scale. Tilt the right stick to adjust the size of your brush. Keep expanding until your mountain is lofty and majestic. Press A when you're done. The end brush is great for adding terrain, but sometimes you need to carve it away. The erode reduces the terrain it touches. Hold the left trigger and move the... Don't worry about making mistakes. It's really safe to experiment and try new things, and press the View button next to the Menu button at any time to undo your last action. You can also hold the View button. Let's reduce your brush's intensity. So you can, while holding the left bumper, use the left stick to select intensity. Then tilt the right stick to adjust the intensity of your brush. Use both the expand and erode brushes to sculpt your mountain into a geological wonder. Press A when you're done. Let's add some color to your mountain. Press the A button to then use the left stick to navigate to the paint tool and press A again to select it. Ah yes, paint. Press trigger to paint some magic or work. To paint, hold the trigger and move your paint. Your mountain is vivid and awe-inspiring. Press A when you're done. You've made an interesting landscape, but you know where to go. The solution to make a path. First, let's choose a background. Use the D-pad to select the second material on the paint palette. While holding the bumper, use the left stick to select scale. Then tilt the right stick to adjust the size of your brush. Now paint over the terrain with your ground material. And you're done. All right, now it's time to pick a contrasting D-pad to select this slot on the paint palette. Press the D-pad to open the gallery. This is the paint. Choose a material. B to exit the gallery. Path to connect all of the elements in your world. Press A when you're done. Great path. Button to switch. Then use the navigate to the prop and press A again to select. Press up on the D-pad to open the prop gallery. This is the prop gallery, where you can find Filter your view by prop type using the tab. Select the coin prop. Press the prop to the ground. Press the right trigger to place as many coins around your world as you want. When you're done, press B to deselect the coin. Almost done, but your path needs a little vegetation. Press up on the D-pad to open the prop gallery. Use the left stick to select the search box in the upper right, then press A and search for tree. Pick your world. Left trigger to snap the prop to the ground. Press the right trigger to place the prop. It's not bad, but how about we make it a bit bigger and rotate. Move your cursor over the tree and press the right trigger while holding the left bumper. Use the left stick to select scale. Then press A when you're done. While holding the left bumper, use the left stick to rotate Y. Then tilt the right stick to adjust the tree's orientation. Press A when you're done. Now that it's bigger, maybe you need to reposition. Use the left X and Y buttons to move. Hold the left. Keep the tree snapped to the tree. A when you're done. Awesome job. Now your hero has a summit to conquer, a path to follow. You're going to create a goal for the player that will win the game once they press up on the D-pad to open the. Use the left stick to select the search box in the upper right. Then press A and search for flag. Select the village. Press the left trigger to snap the prop to the ground. Press the right trigger to place the prop in your world. A brain for the flag that will do two things: detect when the player has reached it, and then display a victory message. Move the cursor over the flag while holding the left bumper. Press Y to open its brain. First, we have to detect when the player. Select the plus and press the sensor. Select the bump. Now this line will run when any object bumps into it. Since you only want to sense the player, you need to add a player tile to select the the object. Select the player. Now that the when side checks if the player has reached so far, select the press the right to view the next page of tiles. Select the brains folder. Select the plus and press the right bump. Select the brains. Select the next. Switching pages is like changing. Switch page. Next page tells this brain to stop running the current page and start. Page 1 is done for now, so you can switch over to page 2 and start. Press the right bumper. Welcome to page 2. The code on this. Anything you want to happen after. Select the plus and press it. Select the next. You need to create a piece of. Select the plus and press the text folder. Select the new text top. What will be displayed when players reach the flag? also modify where the message will show up and how big it will be. Select the plus and press A to add a time. Select the select the screen, select the screen, select the plus and select the. Before you add anything else, you should test your goal to make sure. Press B to exit the press. Open the pause menu. Select test. Press menu when you're done testing. Select Edit to return to CREIAMO. Your goal works, but it doesn't actually end the game yet. Move the cursor over the flag. Hold the left while holding the left bumper. Press Y to open its brain. Press the right bumper. After the victory text is displayed, the screen should fade to black and the game should end. The plus and press A to appearance. Select the how long the fade out should take. Select the plus and press A. Select the plus and press A to add it. Select the num. Select new. How many seconds should the fade out take? 1 to 3 seconds is a good length. To actually end the game, simply use the Game Over tile. Select the appearance. Select the game. The when side of this line is empty, which means the Game Over tile will run immediately when this brain switches to. You can use a countdown timer to delay this line. Select the plus and press A to select the timing and the count. Select the plus and press it. Select the num. Select the new. How many seconds should elapse before the Game Over screen appears? Make sure this is longer than the fade duration. Now this line won't run until the countdown time to put your Game Over transition. Press B to exit menu to open the pause. Select test to